guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Henrietta Kimberly. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do click on the subscribe button. Subscribe, guys, please. Thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, what do you do, bestie? Thank you very much for coming back to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the lipstick before foundation and, you know, completing your whole look in this video. So stay with me, guys. So as usual, we're going to prime our face. I'll be using the LA Girl Face Finity. Is that what the word on it? Primer. And how are you guys doing? How's your week been? What's up? So I actually wanted to like, what the video I had in mind to film it's totally different from this, but since things happened, circumstances were not favoring me and challenges can't face me, so I couldn't do what I wanted to do. But hopefully, I think like this week I'll be able to film the initial video I was supposed to film for this week. I'll be able to film it during the week, hopefully. So guys, I'm going to be using this, I don't know the name of the lipstick, but it has faded off. It's a red lipstick. I'm going to be mixing it with this Party Girl from Classic Cosmetics with the foundation, my Ezekiel, and you apply it to where you want the blush. In this stage, you can actually just go crazy, because you know that whatever it is you're doing at this stage, you're still going to be able to correct it. But that does not mean that you should now go and overdo the thing. Like, that's not the plan. That's not the plan. I look crazy, right? But it's going to come together. The circus,
You know what you are? You're a clown. Okay?
Really?
Your whole life is a...
You guys know it. So now we're going to do foundation. Okay? Watch closely. Today I'm able to do I'm able to talk while I'm doing a tutorial, even though there's like still background noise a little bit. So now we're going to go in with foundation. If you haven't watched my full glam tutorial, you can go back. I listed like all the products I use. I wouldn't really be doing that in this video, so we don't take much of our time. I'm looking at my beauty blender. You're pretty much going to be applying the foundation like you would normally, just that you wouldn't press it as much as you would the other areas when you get to like where your blush is. We're going to go into conceal. So today we're going to be using this Pro Conceal from LA Girl in the shade Fawn. Let's go with Flawless Ivy Concealer number 4. Now this concealer dries up pretty fast, so you have to work fast when you're using this concealer. You're going to start blending it. Make sure to maintain, like, just keep it under here. You don't need to pass here so that we're not covering the blush a lot. You understand? Do you understand? Sure gets. Do you understand? Okay, so that's what we're doing. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, what are you doing? My name is Henrietta.itipu. Follow me on Instagram. I'm just going to use my foundation over that part because I noticed the harshness of the blush underneath, so I needed to tone it down a bit with my foundation, then continue to blend it out with the concealer. Always blend, guys. Blend so you don't go out there looking like, I mean, Halloween was yesterday. This is November. Oh, by the way, happy new month, guys. I mean, I know Halloween was just yesterday, but please, that is not what we're trying to achieve, okay? We're not trying to do Halloween all over. We're going to have to wait till next year. Oh, and I'm in Nigeria. We don't do Halloween in Nigeria. I mean, some people do, but it's not like it's a thing like the rest of the world that celebrates it. So it's not a part of our tradition or culture. People just do it because I think it's fun, like doing skull makeup and the rest of that. I'll probably do a Halloween look next year, probably. Not sure. I'm looking funny, right? I know. It's all going to come together. We always look funny. I want to do this thing. I'm going to be using a dark foundation to contour my nose. So I'm just going to be drawing lines on the sides of my nose, then on the bridge of my nose, if that's what it's called. Yes, those places. And then I'll blend it out using a flat head straight brush. Yeah. Somebody's son gonna find me one day. Same with Makeup Revolution setting powder. I'm going to be patting it into my skin with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm just going to be tapping it in till it blends out completely. I'm not going to be doing anything else, just tapping it in till it blends out flawlessly. Do you see? Do you see how this is coming together? When I say sit down in class, you say no, that you're going to go and buy something when break time have not reached. What am I saying? Anyways, guys, you can see how it's all coming together. See this? Do you see this? Over here, I'm just using a really dark foundation. It's the one I showed you in my previous video. The Noella foundation is what I'm using here to go to contour. Even though I didn't really need it, but I just wanted that extra darkness, that dark shade. So I'm just going over the areas to be contoured. Per usual, we're going to be doing eyebrows now. This is what I use. I don't use anything fancy. Davis eye pencil, 100 naira lonta. Anywhere, anybody, 100 naira. Don't let them cheat you. It's 100 naira. Thank you very much. For this part, because I had shown you guys before in my previous video, I just did that a little bit and went off camera to fill the rest of my brows. And I'm back with the Beauty and Beyond eyeliner, and I'm just going to be putting it all over my lid to create a very pigmented shade for our smoky eye look. I'm going to continue with black eyeshadow. My bad, I didn't show you guys, is from the Classic Cosmetic palette. Just going to be going and blending out the brows because we don't want that harsh line. We're going to be blending out very well, properly. Your eyeshadow is only going to look good when you blend out. Then now I'm going in with a brown shade, blend it out in the crease area. So I'm literally just going to be going back and forth with the brown and the black shadow to create the smoky effect. I did the other eye off camera. I'm going with the FBC purple, what's it called? Pigment. I'm just going to be applying it on my tear duct, both eyes. Nothing serious, just a pop of color, that's it. That was the reason. I'm just going to be going over all of my face, the base of my beauty blender, just literally smoothing out all the products on my face. So I'll be using my concealers as lipstick today. My Flawless Ivory concealers in the shade 04 and 03, I guess, yeah. I was going to be doing that, blending it out. Then I'll put gloss over it and wear my lashes, which is the one I used in the previous video. I ordered some new lashes this week, so in my next video I'll be sampling new lashes. And that'll be the end of the look. Thank you. Please give this video a thumb up if you got up to this point. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to be going in with my Kiss Beauty mascara on my lower lash and my upper lash. Here I'm using the Zykel Glow Kit palette. I'm going to be spraying the brush with my Flawless Ivory setting spray so that the glow is more pigmented, as you can see. Yep, that's that. Highlighting my chin, my forehead, and my nose, as I should. So this is my wig. I've had it since 2020, November 2020, and today I decided to style it differently. So I'm going to be gluing down the closure. This is the first time I ever did that with this hair, and it really came out nice. So yeah, just going to press it down, glue it down, comb my hair out. And I think I went in to style it properly because I couldn't really see what I was doing in front of the camera. So yeah, voila, lashes there, gloss there. Please give this video a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you very much. The fuck? You're talking into my video, Jerry. Oh, King, you are you the first person?